Stop scrolling. Yes, stop scrolling. If you have a smartphone, you can start earning dollar today, even if you're a beginner. Let me show you how. Content creation can earn you a long-term passive income. So the first way to do that is to create video with your phone. The first app you can use to make money is your YouTube monetizes video, so as long you're consistent, you make video, get up to 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers within 365 days, you are going to start earning dollar from your phone with your phone. The next step you can take to make money with your phone is TikTok allows you to earn dollar by going making your video to go viral, and through that way you are going to earn money from it. The third step is to earn from reels and bonus. This can be done through your Facebook, so you have to be consistent, obey and complete your weekly tasks, and with that this will be possible. In order to be able to earn dollar or with your phone, you have to be consistent in any of these social media app that you choose to make use of. If this video was helpful, do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.